Have you ever wondered why some people achieve the dreams effortlessly while others struggle to even get started? The answer lies in one powerful thing: goals. The power of goals. 1. Why goals matter. Goals aren't just ideas, they are roadmaps. Without a clear destination, it's easy to feel lost and lose motivation. When you set a goal, you're giving your mind a target, something to aim for. It's this focus that fuels your drive. 2. Setting smart goals. To make your goals effective, let's break it down with SMART goals. This means your goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying, "I want to be fit," say, "I will work out 3 times a week for 30 minutes. See how clear that is. SMART goals equals specific plus measurable plus achievable plus relevant plus time-bound. 3. Creating a plan of action. Now that you have a SMART goal, it's time to plan. Start by breaking your big goal into smaller steps. Each step should feel doable and build momentum. Think of it as leveling up. Each level gets you closer to the finish line. 4. Stay accountable and measure progress. Accountability is a game changer. Share your goals with friends, family, or even a community online. Track your progress and celebrate small wins along the way. Seeing how far you've come is the best motivation to keep pushing forward. 5. Handling setbacks. Remember, no journey is without obstacles. If you fall off track, don't worry. Re-evaluate, make adjustments, and keep going. Every setback is an opportunity to learn. 6. Visualize success and enjoy the journey. Imagine yourself reaching your goal. How does it feel? Visualization helps make your goal real and keeps you motivated. But remember, the journey itself is just as important. Each step, each challenge, is helping you grow. So, start today. Define your goal, make a plan, stay accountable, and enjoy the journey. You're closer to success than you think. The power of goals lies in their ability to turn dreams into reality. Start today. Subscribe for more tips on achieving your best self, and let's make those goals happen.